Hey guys, John Lowe here. Hey, I'm just going to give you my opinion on Dave and Buster's earnings play. Here's how I would draw all my technical lines here. First of all, let's draw the red to green line here. There's that one. Draw high and low pre-market. There's that. There's that. Now I'm draw the pre-market macro pivot. Which has got to be right there. That's totally obvious. Look, it closed here, it rejects there again. $30 and $39.60 is going to be pretty huge. It will be long tomorrow if it, breaks above this, but if it stays below this, we are short for the day. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw my percentages. I do like percentages to know how much this is down for the day. This is a Fibonacci type of line here. We've gone over that before. Check out my video. Yeah, this is not looking good. All right, so here's how I would trade it. Let me draw a 50% line too. I'm sort of curious. From here to here, that's gonna be 50% right here. From the close to the bottom here, I think this is also a significant line and possibly a significant line. And we'll draw that there, delete that. Let's go to a daily chart, see what kind of windows of opportunity we have up or down. There is nothing down here. All right, so this is not looking good for people who are long, in my opinion. There's a 9 EMA. It's trending down. The SPY is going down. QQQ is going down. In my opinion, this is short for tomorrow. And that's pretty much probably the only way I would trade it tomorrow. Okay, so now we're gonna use this as a macro pivot right here. That's the low, or most recent low, and now we gotta go back in time. Go back in time. And here we get our first lines. Here's a macro pivot here. Maybe a macro pivot here, 38.56. That's on like 40 cents. And we'll mark it there. Since it's a low dollar stock, I gotta mark 50-cent increments, or things that are within that area. Okay, so we're going all the way back to here. There's our next stop, and then maybe another stop down here. 36.83, 35, 34. It's got to be another 50-cent stop right around here, maybe. So let's see here. And then we'll just draw one more right about here. So every 50 cents. So that's around $36. I think that'll be all right. All right, let's go back to. So I also have to look at the news. In fact, let's go do that right now. Let's look at the news. FinViz, PLAY, Dave and Buster's. Let's look at the ATR is $1.29. Normally moves $1.29 per day. Short float, it's a little bit low. Don't really like that. I like a bigger short float. That means it's going to move pretty volatilely tomorrow, so you got to be real careful on your sizing. And let's see what this is. So it misses the revenue. Shares fall nearly 7%. Same stores miss mark. Let's see. Stock sinks late as fourth quarter sales outlook misses forecasts. Fourth consecutive year of record performance. Let's see here. So let's read this, because we got to get a flavor of how bad is this fourth quarter earnings report. Okay, fell short. Estimate, let's see, Wall Street sees EPS falling 6.3, 59 cents. Revenue expected to increase. Same stores, tumble. I'm just trying to look for information. Revenue fell almost 6%, down 7.8, decreased. Bad news so far. Outlook 1.2 billion to 1.24. Below consensus is 1.28 billion. Same stores being down. Not too much there, but I don't see any good news. Check out the revenue miss. How bad was the revenue miss? Let's see here. Restaurant entertainment business chain announced for quarter adjusted earnings of 61 cents per share, which was a decline compared to a year ago. However, the figure did top analysts' expectations of 59 cents. So that is actually good news. Increase of nearly 13% from a quarter ago. Analysts were calling for a revenue to hike up to 305 million. Okay, so there's your revenue miss right there from what Wall Street said it should have, but it didn't miss it by much. Okay, so we have a beat on earnings, okay, but a revenue miss. Okay, so this to me is considered mixed news, you know, so that's the reason why this is not going down like 10% or 12%. It is mixed news. I do believe the stock market does have a play in this. The SPY and the QQQ, that's down. This is going down. Okay. Um, it doesn't matter how good the earnings is. If the market's going to go down, and they have a revenue miss, this is going to act as a catalyst to push this thing down. Okay. So, how would I trade this? My goodness. I think my ultimate goal would be $36 is my ultimate goal. For sure. For sure. 10 is not, I don't think this is good enough news to bring it below $36, which is about 12%. I think we'd be lucky if we get to 10%. So what I would like to see is price action. I really don't want it to go all the way up to pre-market macro pivot. Although I would trade it up here, and then my stop would be $40. Maybe even less than that, depending on what the price action is. So I want to start a short position here, and as VWAP, this will get a lot closer together later on. As it gets closer together, as price action, I'll start a position, small shares. So if it jumps up here, I can stop out without too much damage to myself. But as it looks weak and it starts getting back below VWAP, back below the 9 EMA and stuff like that, I will be looking to add shares in and start taking profit at 37, maybe 37.25, 37, 36.50, then ultimately 36. As it comes back up here, I'll just stop out. All right, so that is my game plan for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye.